What is good, everybody? It's your boy in the building, man. We is back again with another video, man. Make sure, before we get this video started, make sure you guys like this video, hype this video, comment, and share. Alright, so listen. So we have some more Alcorn recruiting news, man. So we are going to get right to it, man. First guy we're going to watch, we have Terrell. Now, Terrell is a quarterback transfer from Jackson State. He's listed at 6'2", 212. He's from Louisville, Texas. All right, man, listen, let's go ahead and get this started, man. Shout out to Alcorn doing business. Let's get it. Let's see what we got. This is, okay, so we got some practice highlights. Let's get it. Okay. Hell of a throw. Hell of a throw. Uh-huh. I like it. Slid in the pot. Okay. Okay. Almost. Okay. There we go. Got it out of his hand quick. RPO, okay. Yep, there you go. Alrighty, next up we have Alvin Dinkins. Now, Alvin Dinkins here is going to be an incoming freshman coming from Williamson High School. He's a quarterback listed at 6'3", 185. He is from Mobile, Alabama. Oh, come here. Whoa. Got a little quarterback competition coming through. I like it. Okay. Come on. Pretty tall. Oh, yep. Side pocket. Okay. Come on. Okay. Nice. I like it. Okay. Give me that. Give me that. Come on. go then. I like it. Alrighty, next up we have Ernest Temple. Now, Ernest Temple is a transfer from Western Illinois. He's a running back listed at 6'1", 215. He's from Chicago, Illinois. Come here. He had a very unique journey. I think before he was at DuPage before he transferred to Illinois, which I think that's a Division III school, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, come here. Ran the counter. Okay. Pitch. Screen. Okay. Give me that. Good blocking, okay. Oh, come here. Give me that. Oh, come here. We up. Give me that. Next up, we have Tyree Kelly. Now, Tyree here is a transfer from UMass. He's a wide receiver listed at 6'3", 205. He's from Cairo, Georgia. Okay. Okay, your hands. Okay. Way to go get it, okay? Come here. We out. Good comeback. What the hell? Whoa, ho. What type of, whoa, hold on. What the hell did he do? He did like a comeback to an end? He went from running a comeback to an end? What the hell? What the hell was that? That was kind of cold. That was kind of a crazy route. If the quarterback has enough time, if the quarterback has enough time for a receiver to run a route like that, the defensive line is trash. Next up, we have Landon Carson. Now, Landon here is a transfer from Holmes Community College. He's a defensive lineman listed at 6'1", 275. He's from Frisco, Texas. Come here. Ooh. Go. Come here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Give me that. Come here. Okay. Up, we have Shakir Collins. Now, Shakir is a transfer from Houston Christian University. Linebacker listed at 6 feet 237. But the actual weight. He's from Barstow, California. Okay. With the weight though, they normally just round up. Hmm. 34. Okay. Number 34. Okay. Little pop. Good. Field, okay. Boundary, okay. Come around. Got you. Interception. Okay, field, okay. So you're on the right side. Okay. Got you. Next up, we have Montaine Bonner. Now, Montaine here is a transfer from Holmes Community College. He's a defensive lineman listed at 6'2", 245. He's from Oxford, Mississippi. Ooh. Oh, pick it up. Oh, we scored? Scoop and score? Number 90. Come in. Okay. Move along. Okay, I like it. Come here. Ooh, come here. Damn. Ball out there. That should have been a sack. That should have been a sack, my boy. Okay. Come here. Edge. There you go. Pitch. Last but not least, we have Armon Wright. Now, Armon is a transfer from William and Mary. He's a wide receiver listed at 5'8", 180. He's from the Queen City, Charlotte, North Carolina. Hey, man, shout out to Charlotte, man, for just producing talent, dog. Oh! No, whoa, hold on. You see that again? Let me see that again. How the hell he ain't step out? How the hell he ain't step out? Easy. Okay. Oh! He just... Okay. Are we going? Come on. That's against Virginia. Damn. Okay. Ooh. He was open. Okay, we can stop it here. We can stop it here. Shout out to Alcorn for getting talent. A lot of offensive weapons heading to Alcorn, so I like to see it. And I can't wait to see what... Listen, I think National Signing Day ain't too far away. National Signing Day is not too far away, man. So I cannot wait to see what's happening. I can't wait, man. Let's get it, Alcorn. I like it.